Okay, this is October 18th, 2007. Major thunder and lightning storm. All kinds of warnings. It's just starting to sprinkle. Thought I'd come out and try and get some nice pictures before it chases me on in. It looks like it's just about over us. Beautiful lightning. Very cool. Spectacular show. This is just unbelievable. It's really going to be bad. I just finished taking Sophie out, thank goodness. It is just about over us. Kind of waiting for Jim to come, but I have a feeling that he is not going to make it. Like I said, the rain is starting. I just got Sophie out in the nick of time. Ooh, just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just spectacular. And I think I'm going to have to go in because it's starting to rain. But this is going to just be a massive, massive storm. There is tornado warnings too, I think until 9, and it's right at about 7. So I'm definitely glad. I would not have thought we were going to get hit with this about a half an hour ago. So anywho, very, very awesome display of lightning. Just unbelievable. I'd like to get another one of those, but as I said, I need to scoot on in. So this is where I'm going. I'm going in here. I am now underneath the roof. Like I said, this is just unbelievable, and I'm going to go ahead and go on in.